Sanskruti Namaskar, dear children. As you know, competency-based assessment from 18th of July for classes 6th to 12th are approaching. For a smooth conduction of the assessment, practice tests are started for our subject for each class. Tomorrow, that is on 3rd of July, there is assessment for classes 6th, 7th and 9th class. So, this screen recording is presenting a demo for you all to attempt a variety of questions. Firstly, the link will be shared on WhatsApp groups. So, you need to go on your WhatsApp app, click on the link, read all the instructions carefully. I suggest you must sit at your study corner for giving your exam. So, firstly you will be required to type your email ID. You need to ensure that your email ID should be correct. Let us come to another entry, that is your name. So you need to write your full name. Select the class, select the section, move on to next option. Here you can find that a video is given. Watch this video. Right? Now let us understand. We need to see and watch this video and carefully whatever the questions will be given, we need to answer the questions based on this video. Let me just play it.
The outbreak of the French Revolution. In this module, you learn about the French Revolution that led to the end of monarchy in France. The French Revolution is a very important event in the history of France. It started on the 14th of July in 1789 and spread across many years, during which...
I'm just pausing it because I found the answer which was given for it. When did the French Revolution begin? So I am marking it as option A. Let us come to next variety of question. Click on next. Reading instructions is very important. Listen to the audio by given link and answer the following questions. You can see that link is given. We need to just click the link. Let us see. We can find this audio now.
Good day, everyone. My name is Samriddhi Shrivastava from class 4. First, reading can help prevent Alzheimer's. Second, being a reader means you.
Let us just pause it. This is just a demo for you all so that you can attempt all the questions. Now you can see that everything is blank. Just again go at the back option and you will find that you have move on to the next. So you must have already heard the audio. In this question, what you need to do is rearrange the sentences A, B, C, D, E. Whatever the sentences were spoken in the link given, you need to arrange them in the order they are spoken. So let us assume the order is as E, D, C, B, A. That means E sentences was spoken firstly, then D sentence was spoken on second time, then C, B and then A. Let us move to next variety of question now. I hope this screen recording is may benefit you. Let us read the next variety. Record your audio and upload it on given topic. You need to understand that this will be speaking skill assessment. Record your audio and upload it on given topic. When you will see this, you need to just minimize this app, minimize this browser, and you need to record your voice on given topic, and then you can upload and can move to the next option. For your convenience, I'm just selecting any of the audio here. Select files from your device, or even we can go on more option. We can find it on our drive too. Whatever is convenient for you, you can go with that. Let us search our audio where we have saved it. Here I am taking from here. Upload. Let us wait till the time it gets upload. Wonderful. See, this is done. We will move to the next option now. So write an essay and click image of it and upload it. Here you are required. This will be worksheet based question. Now you need to write an essay on the given topic. Whatever topic will be given to you, you need to write on a piece of paper. It must contain all the information like your name, your school name, your class, your subject, your section, date, and then you can click a picture and can upload the file. Let us see how we can do it. Select files from your device. You can see that even we can click a picture. So just click a picture and okay. Let us again wait to get it uploaded. I guess this is uploaded. We need to upload it here. This is taking a bit time. Done. Great. Let us come to next. Okay. Features are marked by numbers in the given outline map of France. Identify these features with the help of the following information. This is just a question for class 9th. You don't need to worry about the question, but yes, in social studies or social science subject you may get this kind of question. Let us go with option 1 and send me a copy of my response. This is done, and if you want to check your answers you can go back, else submit. I hope this screen recording has explained everything well to you. In case of any confusions, you can contact to your teachers. They will definitely help you for this smooth appearing in examination. Happy learning to all the students.